We are here at a press meet organized by the Payana organization. They have released few books and also a documentary where they have showcased their stories. And now we will talk to Krishti, who is one of the person who is working in the community. He will tell more about what is the main motive behind this press meet.
मैं फ़ीमेल असाइन बर्थ से लड़का हूँ अभी, फ़ीमेल टू मेल ट्रांसमैन हूँ। और हमने एक 9th इस अगस्त मंथ का एक प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं। तो ये सिर्फ पायाना नहीं, पायाना, स्वतंत्र, जीवा, वोंदेडे, तो अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक साथ मिलके एक कोयलेशन का एक ग्रुप बनाया है। तो हमने 9th प्रोग्राम में नेशनल एंथम और स्टेट एंथम का बारे में एक सॉन्ग्स खुद ट्रांस कम्युनिटी ने सिंगिंग किया है और इस एल्बम को हम रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं। और दूसरा है कि जो भी बुक्स जो भी है वो बुक्स भी हम रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कम्युनिटी खुद उनका स्टोरी, लाइफ स्टोरीज़ और मेंटल हेल्थ का बारे में और लॉ चेंजेस का बारे में जो भी प्रोसेस हुआ है, खुद कम्युनिटी ने ये बुक्स लिखा है, तो वो भी हम रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं। और दूसरा है कि एक थिएटर परफॉर्मेंस है, तो वहाँ पे 55 अबो जो भी ट्रांस कम्युनिटी है उनका खुद लाइफ स्टोरीज़ को एक थिएटर का रूप में हम लेके आ रहे हैं। और ये प्रोग्राम में ज़्यादा हर जगह से माइनॉरिटीज़ या जेंडर माइनॉरिटीज़, सेक्सुअल माइनॉरिटीज़ प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। और उसका साथ हमारा जो भी मिनिस्टर्स है और जो भी थिएटर आर्टिस्ट है और बुक राइटर्स है, उन लोग भी हमारा प्रोग्राम में ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। तो आप सब लोग यहाँ इस प्रोग्राम में आना है और सपोर्ट करना है। और हमारा जैसा लोग भी एक जो भी सक्सेस किया है, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हम कुछ जो भी सोसाइटी सोचता है सेक्स वर्क और बेगिंग सिर्फ करता है, तो उसका अलावा हम भी सक्सेस किया है। तो हम भी एक मोटिव है कि दूसरा आगे आने का जो भी कम्युनिटीज़ को फ्यूचर में और भी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिले। तो आप सब लोग आएगा तो एक अच्छा रहेगा और सोसाइटी में हमारा बारे में एक अच्छा ओपिनियन आएगा।
Now we will talk to Akkai Padmashali. As we know, she is a well-known activist and she is also the part of community. She will tell more about the event today and what is the message the community wants to send the society.
Hello.
Hello.
Namaste. Yeah.
Can you tell more about the event that you organized today?
Yeah. So what do I tell and what do I speak is my question to the society. As a community, we are being stigmatized, discriminated, stereotyped, and the social construct norm is not accepting that what exactly we are identifying ourselves. I think to question back the notion of society, the notion of the state itself, and how do we justify and confront our identities and sexualities. With this, we want to make sure that we belong to this Constitution of India through singing the national anthem and the state anthem of the Karnataka state, that's a Nadagiti and Rashtragiti. We, the few transgender people of this community in Karnataka, have come forward to make sure our voices are heard in our own voices, that we have sung the national anthem and the state anthem is concerned. And we also brought up the traditional cultural aspect of the Hijra community, the transgender community, the sexual minorities itself. The second part is also about the literature. If you have seen many other libraries, many other literature forums, etc., always dominated by a cis majoritarian men and women. But in context of sexual minority, there are very, very, very minuscule literature which is part of this public. So, we as writers from the community have also written our book. It's called Attention Please, Bharavase, Maimana and Thalki and many other books that was written by sexual minorities shall be placed before society, saying that yes, we also exist here.
And in which languages?
It's in Kannada. Most of it's in Kannada, and there's one report, the Supreme Court and various High Court judgments have been compiled together, and that report has been brought in English through the support of C-Help. This is the second part of the event. The third part is something called, very interesting, is called the theatre. The theatre is being performed by the 50 plus about transgender people who want to bring up our culture and tradition through this performance, number one. Second thing is also to talk about the theatre performance named is called Talki, Talki, breaking the stereotype within the existence of eating your food. It's a non-veg prepared food, and it's also named as Talki in the Hijra community. So how do you break this narration of society? And also there's so much of orthodox and patriarchal thinking, and we want to really break them. I think whole of this together on the 9th, why we are getting Srimati Margaret Alva, the former governor of many other states, and she'll be going to preside at the event along with many other ministers, the bureaucracy, the Karnataka Sahitya Academy, the Nataka Academy, the theatre personalities, Prakash Raj. People are taking part to support the movement. With this, what we're sending a message is very clear that we belong to this country, we belong to this state. So let us talk about the political participation, the political representation in the parliament as well as the state at the assemblies are concerned. The last part would be to making sure that our voices cannot be ignored anymore, because this is 21st century. Let my state, let my governance, let my administration hear what exactly we say. In that context, all the policies relevant should be implemented in favor of sexual minorities.
And ma'am, do you feel that change is happening?
Change is definitely happening, and I'm so happy that we the seniors, the elders of sexual minorities who have dedicated their lives, who were killed, who were assassinated, who took up the challenge. Many people have struggled their life, and we are here to make sure that society is going to change. Yes, if you compare the last 20 years and now, society is changing, society will change, and we shall be part of many other processes.
As Akkai said that she and the whole community is the part of the country, the part of the society. This message is strong, and this message is to everyone. Let us know what are your views in this changing society, and for more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital. This is Priyanka reporting for Daily Salar.